In this video, we will show you how to replace your headlamp mounting pin. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have 2 of these on each headlamp on your vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get ready to replace our headlamp pins. For these, the process will be the same exact thing. Go ahead and take hold of the pin, turn it, and remove it from the headlamp assembly. To install the new pin, go ahead and take that and slide it directly into place. You might have to wiggle the headlamp around a little bit, and then lock it into position. Do the same for the other one. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.